Install your windows. These Perspex windows are kind of the magic of these builds, because you can install them yourself. As you can see here, Ben is cutting the top of his silicon tube, and he's got it to about the diameter of a pencil. This is the rebate that all the windows are going to sit into, and now Ben is applying an even bead all the way around. It should roughly be the thickness of a pencil. Make sure that you don't miss any spots. You want to go all the way around so that no water can get in through the window. Once you have siliconed that particular window, then you can place the Perspex in and put a little spacer underneath. Once you have the window lined up, you can pre-drill. Don't drive that screw too hard. You just need to grab the Perspex and press the silicon a little bit. This video is an old design, where Perspex 1 and 2 were 2 pieces, but this isn't necessary. You can just use one piece, then pre-drill and screw that into place as well. Now the boys are installing the big window on the back. As you can see, they've left the protective layer on the Perspex. This is because Perspex scratches very easily. So now Ben is just peeling away the edges of that Perspex just for the installation, so the silicon can adhere to the Perspex, but has left it on so there's no unnecessary scratching during installation. Lift it up and set it on the bottom of that rebate after applying some silicon. Now they are putting a spacer on either side so the bottom of the window is off the bottom of the rebate, and double check the gaps are even all the way around. Once that's all set, you can start pre-drilling and screwing it off.